Wow guys, that's pretty impressive. It actually printed that part without support. It did create a couple of squiggly lines, like here and here, but come on, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. Alright. Hopefully it'll finish the print, and then I can compare it to the other ones. One made on the AlphaWise U30, or U3, depending on which website you see it on, and the Monoprice Mini Delta. We'll see which one turned out the best, and then we'll try maybe one of those other printers that I've got there that do the resin printing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.